We'll now be looking at connecting the AmbiZen to a heat pump, which can be done in two ways, via the Baxi heat pump controller, or in this circumstance, the Baxi heat pump controller, which is already fitted to a Baxi pre-plumbed cylinder. We're now going to connect the AmbiZen to the pre-plumbed cylinder controller. We've already got the gateway connected to the cylinder via its magnetic base. And all we need to do is at the bottom of the controller, there is a protective connection block. Just remove that. Connect one of your cables into that. Once it's connected, the other part then will go into the gateway. And that's already connected. You now need to download the Baxi Start Commissioning app to connect the gateway to the AmbiZen thermostat. There is a video in the series with instructions on how to do this.